In today's video, we're gonna look at the T12 wireless earbuds and we're gonna see if they're worth your time. I shot a video about a month ago unboxing them, putting them through a few tests. I've been using them for about a month now and I'm gonna give you some of my impressions right after we check out the unboxing video first. Welcome back to Hal's Mystery Unboxing. I don't have Mike with me today, so I'm flying solo with a pair of $15 Apple AirPods. They came in a nice little baggie. We're gonna let that go. So these are knockoffs, but only $15. They are the T12 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Good name. We have ourselves a box. We're going to slide open. Padded top, that's nice. Got the... I have never had Apple official AirPods, so I'm going with these ones here. And oh, did you see how that just opened right there? Snap, yep. Solid working hinge. Yep, a little bit of pocket lint. I'm gonna try to pull one of these puppies out. Oh, they're beautiful. It's a good knockoff. I haven't actually seen AirPods in person, so I'm assuming they're a good knockoff because all I see are like white things hanging out of people's ears. I'm gonna stick this one in my left ear and I'm gonna stick this one in my right ear. And I'm filming on my phone, so I'm gonna have to pair this with some. Sometimes they do like a little, sometimes they do one of those little tap to pay kind of thing, tap to pay. So far on a scale of comfort level, we're dealing with a not very comfortable, but then every time you put them in, you got to remember $15 and not $200. Oh, that was a little better. Oh, I got them down in. Now I'm talking and it sounds weird in my head. My head voice, my heady singing voice sounds a little goofy. Please long press on either. Since you can't hear what they sound like because they're not in your ears, they're in my ears, I'm gonna give you a scale of 1 to 34.
Crisp, but now I'm taping down lids and wiping skids. That's how I live. Non-burnt sauces and some peanut butter toast. Will you just put them on if you pick your own clothes? Daddy, don't leave
The further
it.
you push them into your ears, the better it sounds.
Toys if you wanna watch Frozen. What happened to the good old days when I could go and take my pay, deposit it inside my bank, it disappeared immediately? What happened to the good ones when I was singing shook ones, bobbing and weaving like I was a godson?
I have another test I'm going to perform for you. It is the running, are they gonna fall out test. Are you ready? Here we go. Now, second test. It passed the running test. The second test is, there's a big dog over your left shoulder. Pass that one, good test. Third test I'm gonna try to conduct for you is the hard rock headbanging test. Here we go. That was easier when I was 20. Test number 4, my wife was just yelling at me uncontrollably and I didn't hear. This is gonna be good. Is that okay to say that? Are you upset with me? Do you yell at me? How much do you yell at me? This has been a very successful unboxing for me because I was able to get them out of the box. And you should too at $15.99. This is a bargain steal. I would suspect that these aren't gonna last that long. So for $16, you could buy 12.5 pairs of these. 12.5 would mean you'd only get one time, which could still work. But anyway, that would be a mono and not a true wireless stereo. 12 pairs of these for one pair of Apple. I think if you, I mean, they're gonna last long. I mean, it's fantastic. And I don't know what else. You should just go get a pair. Don't wipe it on your shirt. Okay, so I've been using these to listen to listening to audiobooks and music with these. I have never used Apple Earbuds, Earbuds, Apple Buds, AirPods, whatever they're called. I haven't used them. I've only used the ones that just go in with the little wire that you see they are all over the place. However, I'm not super audiophile. I can't tell the difference between great headphones and not great headphones. And if you're like me, or your mother's like me, or your grandma's like me, and you want to get these for Christmas, I think they're going to be pleasantly surprised. Very easy. They've always connected to my phone immediately without any problems. And I've only noticed one little issue where they cut out, and it's not like all the time they cut out. They cut out for like a minute after I've had them in. They'll cut out for a second and come back. I don't know if they're still recalculating like your Google Maps or whatever, but they have been very solid. Sounds fine. Comfort is good. I haven't had any problems with that. I've even, you know, like laid on the pillow and they stay in place. I'm shooting a video about these little wireless earbuds. Oh. Yeah. And then, so I totally recommend them at $16, $15, whatever the price point is this time around, whenever you're looking. They're worth it. They're a great gift. They will connect. They are Bluetooth. They're easily chargeable. They say they last 4 to 5 hours on a charge. I think that's true because I haven't charged them in a while, and every time I come back to them, they're still working. A lot of times I found myself just wearing the one in there, and it's very handy, like I'm doing the yard. I just put one in there so I can still kind of hear what's going on and still get the music. Very convenient, and that is it.
I got my...
Yeah, a little drink.
I need water. Cool down. It cooled down.
I think there's people at the back door. So let's wrap this up quickly, unless the invaders are here. So pick your copy up today. I've got a link in the description below where I picked them up on Amazon, and hopefully you can find them and get a pair too for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and then subscribe and like, but not in that order. Right, Remy?
Uh-huh.
Thanks. Let's go find out what that noise was.
Oh, it was probably the wind hitting the front door.
Oh, just the wind hitting the front door? Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.